as it is the final night, well not the final night, penultimate night, let's not get that wrong, penultimate night of the cruise, we have a little tradition we like to stick to here on the Buckingham restaurant. We'd now like to just pay a big thank you to all the restaurant and galley team who've been making your dinners this cruise. Have they done a good job, folks? Have you enjoyed your meals? Fantastic stuff. So what I'd like you to do now is get your napkins or wave them in the air as we present to you our Baked Alaska. Here they come, folks. If you know the words, sing along. Here they are. All your waiting staff will be serving you all cruise. Whether it be in the Buckingham restaurant, the Borough Market buffet, or perhaps one of our specialty restaurants, they've been serving you day in, day out. And tonight, they're going to tell you they're Baked Alaska. Big thank you to your restaurant manager, Geronimo, as well, holding it all together. Not only we got more stories from you, but not only do we have our waiting staff, we've got your galley team as well, so give it for our galley team as they come on round. Led by our executive chef, Kaja, working in the galley every day, preparing all the lovely meals for you. 30,000 plates a day, folks.